Please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to today's training, where we compare the top 5 ways to grow tomatoes in small spaces for profit. With the right method, even a small backyard, balcony, or rooftop can produce high yields and real income. But not all methods are equal. Each has its advantages and disadvantages in terms of cost, space use, yield, labor, and marketability. By the end of this session, you'll know which method suits your space, your budget, and your business goals best. Let's begin. We'll compare these 5 growing methods. Vertical growing, staking trellising in soil or containers. Hydroponics, soilless growing with water plus nutrients. Container gardening, buckets, pots, grow bags. Square foot gardening, small raised beds. Hanging baskets, including upside-down tomatoes. Each of these can be done in small spaces, even as little as a balcony, rooftop, or yard. 1. Vertical growing pros, uses upward space, not ground area. Ideal for indeterminate tomato varieties, long fruiting, easy to harvest and prune, can use stakes, cages, or trellises, works in soil or containers. Cons, needs a strong support structure, requires regular pruning and tying, not suitable for very windy locations, best for backyards, walls, or along fences. Growers who want a higher yield per plant, medium-low budget. 2. Hydroponics pros, grows without soil, water plus nutrients = faster growth. Clean and space efficient, can be done indoors or on rooftops, uses 90% less water. Cons, high startup cost, pump, pipes, nutrients, requires technical know-how, power or water interruptions = risk of crop loss. Best for urban entrepreneurs, controlled environments, greenhouses indoors, people aiming for high-tech farming with premium pricing. 3. Container gardening pros, low cost, uses buckets, sacks, grow bags, easy to set up and move around, great for rooftops, patios, balconies, easy to manage water and soil quality. Cons, dries out quickly, needs frequent watering, limited root space = less yield per plant, needs regular fertilization. Best for beginners and small budget growers, DIY projects, local home sales, or side income. 4. Square foot gardening pros, organized raised beds = efficient use of space. Less weeding, better soil control, great for intercropping, for example, basil, onions. Looks tidy and is easy to harvest. Cons, needs materials for the bed frame, not easily portable. Soil mix needs preparation effort, best for backyard farmers, home gardens with business intentions, people growing multiple crops together. 5. Hanging baskets, including upside down. Pros, unique look, = good marketing appeal, great for tiny spaces, balconies, porches, no weddings, fewer pests, can be sold as live potted plants. Cons, limited yield per basket, requires daily watering, needs strong support to hang, best for micro spaces or gift plant sellers, people looking for niche income or creative urban farming, rooftop gardeners. Let's quickly compare these 5 methods side by side. Method, cost, space use, yield, labor, profit potential. Vertical, low medium, high medium, high hydroponics, high very high, very high very high, if sold well. Containers, low medium, medium high square foot, medium, high medium, high hanging baskets, low medium, high niche medium. No method is best for everyone. It depends on your space, your capital, your time, your target market, but now you can make an informed decision. If you're just starting out, my advice is start small, start smart. Combine methods. Use vertical growing in containers or hanging baskets plus square foot beds. Focus on marketable tomatoes, cherry, Roma, or specialty types. Track your expenses, yields, and sales. This is small-scale agribusiness, not just gardening. Your small space could be the start of a profitable tomato brand, right from your home. Thank you. Now go grow something amazing. Please like and subscribe for more.